Starting off the year looking beautiful just like this. Why not try this out? This is knotless with coils. Oh, can you see how I'm looking? I'm really looking beautiful on this, and I sure believe it's gonna look good on you too. Check that out. Oh my. Okay, you can actually style it differently, just like I did mine, anyhow you want it. Just to resume your year, your work, your business, your whatever, resume looking beautiful. So this is how we get this done. Hey lovers, welcome back. Happy New Year to you guys. Hope you spent your holiday well. Thank you for coming around today, and today we are doing this knotless. And if you've seen me for the first time, hi, thank you for stopping by, and please don't forget to subscribe. This is what we do here. We make ourselves look good. So today I'm doing this hairstyle. I'm doing a knotless. So if you're having challenges doing it on your own, doing a knotless braid on your own, then check this out. So I'm gonna be doing this knotless and just play along and see how we get this done. Meanwhile, in the meantime, it's a new year and I hope you are doing well for yourself. You started the year in a good vibe, in a good mood, with good tidings. Okay, so this year I wish each and every one of us a beautiful, well-fulfilled, well-planned, blossoming, everything good that comes in between. Yeah, everything good that life has to offer, everything you've always prayed for over the years, this year it shall be granted unto you. This is my prayer and wish for you, and so shall it be. Alright, so meanwhile, we are still on the process, so take a look at that. If you are yet to master this, if you have challenges with doing it, you can actually do it yourself, So just watch closely. Like I always say, braiding involves the fingers. So focus on the fingers and see the magic happening there. Can you see what I'm doing actually? So this is how I do it on my own. You can see how neat the pattern is. All you need is focus and pay attention, and you're gonna get it right, trust me. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, so now what we are talking about, I hope you actually had planned for this year. You had written down goals that you want to put into consideration. There's so many things you need to look out for in case your business, where it is, you enjoy it very well, you are okay with it. Thanks to God, there are other areas you can still focus on and make it better. Alright, so I want to use this medium to equally introduce to you my new channel, where we do sit down tutorial, where we talk to ourselves, where we impact ourselves, where we talk things that matters. Okay, life matters in general, and we also do YA. If you don't know, so just check it out with Enetina. You'll find that on YouTube. Okay, Enetina 10. So you get it direct, no spacing. Okay, so let's keep rolling. As you can see, whenever I want to start, I split my extensions into parts. I keep them aside for easy usage. Okay, so I'm starting this one again. If you didn't get it right, try now. So splitting my extensions into parts makes it easy. So I just pick it up and attach to my hair, and wow, the job is amazing. You can try this out. You can actually do it. Try it and see. Everything is possible, right? So while we are going, so try subscribing to my second channel. Right there we improve ourselves, we talk about growth, we talk about so many, a lot. like a lot. So please guys, subscribe to my channel. I splitted this from that so we can easily focus. This should be differentiated from the other. So if you are interested, if you have growth mindset, if you have development mindset, if you really want to do things, be involved, then join the family. Growth is the color. Don't forget, any Tina is the name. You can actually add any Tina 10 to get it direct without mistakes. See you guys there. I hope to see you there because we're gonna be doing and discussing a lot right there. Okay, so meanwhile we're still on the process and the deal is really dealing. Yeah. Oh my god, the deal is really dealing. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this. This is how far I have come, and I'm gonna be doing that till I get to the end. Okay, I actually made use of expression brand. It's one big jumbo size and a half of a jumbo size I used for this. Okay, so at the end this is what I got. Alright, but I want to make some coils just like you saw. So this is what I used for my coils. So watch how I coil my tips. So if you are seeing this for the first time, this is how you can actually use this attachment coiler. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this for each and every of the hair because I want the tips coiled. I have done some off camera, so I want you to see how we use this. That's why I'm showing you this. So I'm going to be doing this process all through the hair, and after that I'm going to dip into water. Okay, apply some gel and hair wax or oil sheen. So this is how it came out. It came out quite nice and beautiful. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next video and bye for now.